Hello friends, welcome back to the True Blue Smokehouse. It is Friday, April the 29th, 2022. It's a beautiful Friday morning where I am, about 65 degrees outside, barely a cloud in the sky, and so we're back in the smokehouse. We're going to work our way over to the Big Green Egg. Let's check out what we're doing this morning. Chuck roast. Chuck roast on the Big Green Egg. Got about 5.5 pounds of chuck roast. It's been seasoned with my base smokehouse seasoning and some black pepper and salt and garlic powder, my SPG combination. We're smoking with pecan wood. There's some pecan wood in the pit and a little bit on the side for smoke. We're gonna run these today up until about 165 or so. Take them off, put them into a Dutch oven, and we're gonna make Mississippi pot roast. Yet again. I love that little recipe for Mississippi pot roast. So we're gonna do it again with about 5.5 pounds of chuck roast on the Big Green Egg. And so it begins. Hey guys, I wanted to bring you back into the True Blue Smokehouse. We'll take a look at the progress that we're making over here on these chuck roasts. What we've got are two beautifully brown chuck roasts. They're at about an internal temp of 165, 167, somewhere around there. Plenty of juices flowing off of those, plenty of juices in the water pan below. We're gonna take those chuck roasts, put them into this Dutch oven on a bed of onions, add a couple of sticks of butter, some ranch seasoning, some pepperoncini peppers, and some au jus gravy seasoning. Get that back on, let it simmer until it gets to about 203, and we'll have ourselves some Mississippi pot roast. And so it continues. Hey guys, I'm back in the True Blue Smokehouse. We're gonna check on these chuck roasts. All indications are pointing to them being ready, so let's take a look for ourselves. Wow, would you look at there. Smells fantastic, looks even better. Let's check some internal temps. 209, 207, check this other one here, 209, 200 right there on the tip, 209, yeah, these are done. These are done. We're gonna pull them off, let them rest a little bit, shred them, and have some Mississippi pot roast sandwiches for dinner. Thanks for joining me for this cook. All the best to you and yours for a great weekend. Until next time. Bonus cook time. I still have hot coals, so check this out. We removed the Dutch oven and replaced it with a cast iron skillet with root vegetables, potatoes, carrots, and onions. Took a little bit of that au jus from the chuck roast from earlier, used that as a basting liquid, and also put some herbs on it. So we got herb roasted root vegetables as the bonus cook. This is going to be fantastic.